Hello guys, I'm back with the new question, max level sum in a binary tree. So what does the question say? So question says we are given a binary tree and we have to return the sum which is maximum from by comparing each level. So in first level, as you see, the sum is 4, in second level it is -3, and the third level it is going to be 6. So we have to return the maximum sum of by comparing all the levels, the maximum sum we are getting. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use BFS, and it's very easy question. Basically it is a kind of easy question, it is going to be easy. So let's understand the question. So basically let's take our first example for 2 minus 5 and -1 3 -2 and 6. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to first check the sum in current level, in first level, which is going to be 4, and in the next level, which is going to be 2 minus 5, which will be -3, and on the this level, which will be -1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 6, which will be 6. So if you compare all these value, 4 -3 6, the maximum sum will be 6. So we have to return the maximum sum here. So how we are going to do this? So basically, sorry. So how we are going to do this? By doing BFS. So we are going to use an data structure Q basically, and first level means where we are going to calculate the sum of the all levels and by comparing and it to the answer. So first we are going to declare an answer and going to give it an minimum value, which can be -2 point something, -2 3 4 something. So when we start from 4, we will add 4 to our queue. So first we will add our 4 to queue, and we will take another variable answer. So what we do, we will just pop out the 4 and add it to the answer, and add the left and right child of the 4 basically, which are 2 comma -5, and as we have popped, it will be no more available there. So now our queue going to become like this, 2 comma -5. So at that first stage our answer is 4, so we will compare with the answer. If the answer ans is greater than answer, then we will update our answer and put it there. So here our answer will become 4, and then after that we will iterate once more, and we will what we will do here, like in our queue there are two elements present, 2 comma -5. So what we will do, we will pop 2 out and make our answer 0 first of all. So we will pop out 2 and check whether it has an left and right. So it has an left and right, and add it to the queue basically, and add the value of this to the answer, which will be 2. And after that we will be going to pop -5. So after popping -5, we are going to check whether -5 has left hand child. So it has a left hand child, left and right child. So now our queue is going to become like this: -1 3 -2 and 6. Okay, and our answer will be going to become answer -5. So 2 -5, which will be -3. So we will compare whether our ans value is greater than our answer, then we will update the answer. So basically -3 is less than 4, so we are not going to update that. So then after, now we are going for the level 3 basically, and here also we are going to declare ans at 0, and we will check whether whether -1 has a left hand child. First of all, we are going to pop it. After popping it, we are going to check whether -1 has a left and right. So it doesn't have a left and right, so we will add it to the answer, which will become -1. Then we will go to 3, where we will check whether the 3 has left and right child. So it doesn't have, so we will add it to it. So now our answer is going to become 2. Then after, we are going to -2. We will check whether our -2 have a left or right child. So it doesn't have, so we are not going to add something. So we are going to update our answer value, which will become 2 -2, which is 0. Then we are going to 6. I'm going to check whether the 6 is having a left or right child. So it doesn't having any left or right child, so we are going to add it to the ans value. Now ans will become 0 plus 6 and 6, and at last we are going to check our answer with ans, whether the ans value is greater than answer. So basically 6 is greater than answer, then we are going to update the value of answer to with the answer value, and now it will become 6. So this is how our BFS is going to work. So basically we are going to be taking a queue, then adding the levels basically. So yeah, if you're thinking that like when we are in this condition, like in our queue, when there are 2 comma -5 present, so you are thinking like we have to iterate how many time basically. When we are going here, we are implement taken ans is equal to 0 basically. So basically at that current level 2, we are going to means pop these two element only. because at that time our queue size is 2, so that's why we are going to only pop 2 elements, because in the loop queue is going to add new variables also with their child, so which will be going to be considered on next iteration as a third level. So basically if first we will pop 2, then its child not going to be added -1, 3. So basically, and 2 will be added to ans, so then -5, so -5 is -2 and 6. So if you are thinking now, after -5 there is -1, so why we are not taking -1 also at that time loop? Because at when we are just started our loop, the value of q is 2, that indicates that on that level only that number of elements are present. So this is the approach we are going to do, and let's code it. So what we are going to do, we are going to use an queue of what type? Node type, and we will give it as name pq, and initialize it new linked list, I'm sorry. And after initializing it, we will initialize our answer by giving it a minimum value, integer dot mean, basically. And then after we will check while, then we will implement our BFS while pq is not empty, pq dot is empty, means we have added a node condition also, so that it will work until our queue is not empty. So what we will do, we will just do here initialize our ans to 0, like in every iteration we are making our ans 0, so that's why. And then make a loop for int I equal to 0 comma I less than pq dot size, so that we will iterate only for that elements, means number of elements are there. So that's the point here. So we will just initialize a node helper, and we will remove our top element through, means first element through q dot poll, and after that we are going to add it to the answer plus equal to helper dot value, helper dot data. So we will update our answer with the current, means what's the sum until now. Then we will check if helper has a right, if helper has a left, basically. If it is has a left, so we will add it to our queue, pq dot add our helper dot left. And similarly for right also, if helper has right, then add it to our queue, pq dot add helper dot right. And after that, after the iteration, we are going to check whether the ans value is greater than our answer. If so, we are going to update our answer value and put the ans value in it, and at last just return the answer value. So basically, let's run the code. Sorry, here I have written qp, should be pq, yeah, right here. So if ans is greater than answer, then put answer into ans, so return answer. What's the error here? So here we forget to add the first element to our queue, so pq dot add root. Now it will be working fine. Yeah, it is working fine, and here it was submitted. Oh no, this it shows. Okay, so basically we have to take n, means its size variable here, and we will take it as a size here, pq dot size. At that time it is iterating until last, so here we will use that size here, and now it is going to be work fine. And this is all. Hope you all like it. Please subscribe and share it, and be with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.